Okay, today we're going to be talking something about pendulum reading or pendulum dowsing. They are very similar concepts. It's basically to give you answers. Sometimes in life we know what we are looking out for, but we just need that kind of a reassurance. So today we're going to be doing a session on pendulum readings. Now, what we can do is pendulum readings are very good mediums to get an immediate answer. Okay, what you need to do or you shouldn't be doing, so they give you a quick yes or no answer. It is when if you ask when, it is not. If it is, if you will I get a job in the 6 months, then it's a yes and no. Also, it is very important tool, to tell us which of our chakras are imbalanced or which is the health issue that we need to address. Now let me tell you, like, last time I was doing a pendulum reading for a client, and there were certain factors that that came up, that probably this area needs to be taken care of. And I told them, and you wouldn't believe that probably what happened is, they said, Ki, how did you get to know? Because this is a problem that that the client was facing since childhood. So these are things which probably is not visible to the naked eyes, or we really cannot make up why things are happening. So that's why we do a pendulum dowsing to get a quick yes or no answer. So that's how, if you have any questions, will I get a new house this year, so probably we can answer you. So the questions that you ask need to be very specific, because the answers you're going to be getting is in a yes or no format. So we will get started now, and we will see if we have any queries out here, anybody needs any kind of a reading, so we can get started with that. So pendulum is a very important or very ancient tool of making out peoples. You can make out directions with that. You can know whether where you're progressing right in the life. It is also very useful when certain times we buy the house, so we need to see, are the energies proper in the house, because house buying is a very important tool. So in that case, we need to be very doubly sure. As they said, kid and house can take you up and it can take you down also, if the energies are not there. So that's how you need to take care about with pendulum readings. So if anybody has any queries, you can go ahead and ask me. Also, I also deal into various healing modalities. I am an astronumerologist. So combining this, we work in a very concise way. How we can go about numerology, as we all know, is about numbers. Then pendulum is another way to go about doing things. And if not, we can do rectifications. If suppose the geographical it's a constraint, or it is not working that well, then if the pendulum says it's probably not right, then what? Then what will we have to, what can we do is we can help it out through crystals. Okay, we've come up with a first question, that is of Archana. Will the person named Ambu give back my money? Is, I'm assuming it's the money is given by you and not somebody else or your husband. So in that case, I will check it up for you. By the way, let me show you the pendulum. This is the pendulum that looks something like this, and we have a pendulum board wherein we do that. So, Archana, I'm doing the reading for you right now, and I'll just tell you. Just give me a moment, please. Archana. Archana, it's showing me no. In the near future, it is showing me a no. So probably what you can do is you need to increase the way or change the way that you're approaching the person. Probably this year I do not see, at least this year, in an immediate thing. It shows that no, you would not. This you would get back your money. Also, guys, if it is a no or a yes, if it is a no, it doesn't mean that it's going to be forever. Let me tell you, it's just that probably wait for some time and re-put your efforts, maybe in a different way. That is what we need to understand, is maybe the way that we're doing, the approach that we're taking is just not right enough. So we need to understand this. One thing is, for the moment, it is a no. See, when I will join, I have a question is saying when will I join is when I will join job is no. You will have to, Kiran, you will have to put it a very specific time period. This is a very question yes or no answer based kind of a thing, you know. So you need to say, will I get it in 3 months or 6 months or whatever is in your head, you know, what your mind, it comes to your mind, you need to give me that kind of a time period, because I'll give you a yes or no. Hello Sugna. Hi Niva. A warm welcome to all of you to come down to the session and have a different kind of an healing modalities to be taken care of. You usually seeing me with numerology, you know, itself. So that's what, as I was saying, pendulums give you a correct answer. That probably is Vibha is saying queries money related. A client owes me a big amount and refuses to pay it. As I said, be little, time related or time bound off. But I would take it, Vibha, in your case, I would take it as this year, you know. So I would take it as, will Vibha get back the money that she owes to somebody? That's how we would put it. Guys, just a request, make it more time specific so that it helps you out, because it would give me a broader perspective. Vibha, I'm doing the reading for you. Vibha, it shows yes. This I had put it as this year, within the next 6 months. It shows as yes. So you can go ahead and keep pursuing, and things will definitely improve for you. So that way you need to. Hi Anjuji. So that way you need to, put a specific time frame, kind of a thing. Will I get a new job in the 2 months, or should will the interview get through? Things like that. It needs to be more specific, time specific, so goes about with that. So that's how pendulum works, and also it tells you where what illness that you can probably have in the near future, or which body organs should be taken care of. So it gives you a fair idea, you know. The most accurate way that you can go about with predicting things, what, where are you lacking in, or what health should be you know taken care. Okay, Neeta is saying she's feeling very isolated at home. Neeta, I will check up the chakra for you. Why is this happening? Give me a moment. I will check this up for you. Neeta. Okay. Hi, Shruti. Hello, everybody who's just coming in. This is for Neeta. Why is Neeta feeling isolated at home? Neither shows that your heart chakra is blocked. There is something that you want to say to people, but you're not able to say, or you do not have the right words, or you're unsure how people are going to be taking your your viewpoint and things. So your heart chakra is blocked. The easiest way you can do is start using more of greens, either wear the green color clothes or have leafy vegetables, or more of greens. That's the first very easiest way to be done. Second thing is, we need to balance your chakra. Your heart chakra is blocked, so that can be done. The second way of doing is getting your getting you wear a crystal bracelet. That's the second way to go about with that. But immediately start using more of greens, because that's been blocked, and that is why you're feeling isolated. You're not able to open up what you want to say. You're not unsure, you're feeling suffocated, you know. Your feelings are just inside you, so feeling very suffocated. So now we'll come down to Kiran. Should I get a job within the coming 2 months? Okay, Kiran, this one is for you. Will Kiran get a job in the coming 2 months? Okay. Yes, Kiran, you would get a job in the coming 2 months. You would definitely get a job in the coming 2 months. Will your daughter get a match? Ritu Agrawal. Ritu, I would need your daughter's name in that case. Nita, there are many ways to open the chakras. One of the way, depending which is, which chakra is blocked. Depending on all the chakras have a different way to be opened. Sometimes it's consuming the more of the colors that we are lacking if we can't do anything. Second is through Reiki healings, and the third is through crystals. That what's how we balance our chakras. So I guess I've answered that. Nita, I've answered you. Ritu, I need your daughter's name to be able to tell you when would it happen, or you to be more specific. If you're looking out for rather than when, give me a time frame that you're planning, or if you have some groom in mind, so we can put it about with that. My queries about my business, it's going good now, but I need a tremendous hike in my income. Neha, Neha, I would do it if you can be little more. This is you giving a statement. I need a question. I would still do it for you, Neha Verma. This is for you. Yes, Neha, you would get a tremendous height. It is showing you would get a tremendous height, but when we will have to check that up. Uh, Isha, these days I feel very emotional and sensitive. I guess your chakras would be blocked. Isha, I will just check it up for you. Give me one moment. Why are you feeling emotional and sensitive? This one is for Isha. Isha, same thing. Heart chakra is blocked. Wear more of greens. Use more of green colors. Start wearing more of green. Increase of green intake in the food that you can go about with that. And thirdly, if you want, you can connect with me for the crystal bracelets for opening the chakras. We can also do it through Reiki healings. The chakras are can be opened up with that. And also, Isha, later on, give me your date of birth. I'll check it up if that's got something to do with it. Shruti, will my business go up in the next 2 months? Okay. Shruti Roy, this is for you. Will your business increase in the next 2 months? Shruti Roy, this one is for you. Give me a moment, please. Shruti, unfortunately, no. It shows a no, but it doesn't mean that you got to take it. Probably, these are valid for some time, so you need to do a reassessment again, or probably take it as that you need to change some way the way that you're approaching people, or you're currently doing currently doing your business, so you need to change that. So that is where you need to do little rectification. But let me tell you, this is not a permanent situation. This is just a temporary phase that it goes about with it, and you can get through with that. Hi Parina. Thank you Neeta ji. Thank you Kiran. Aishwarya Agarwal is my daughter's name. Ritu, what is your question? I would take it as that probably you're thinking that your daughter gets married this year. Okay, so I will just take it up that way. uh Ritu, your daughter's marriage this year is a little difficult. It seems difficult. However, you can connect with me to see what exactly is the problem and where we can rectify it. So we can do it, but this year seems difficult for the marriage happening. I have plans to shift my base. Will that happen this year? Okay, Priyanka, this one is for you. No, Priyanka, I do not see this happening this year. I do not see this happening this year. So you'll have to change some plans probably, or go about doing something different. But this year seems little difficult. Shreya Shah, will I start saving money? There is absolutely no savings. Shreya, why don't you reframe the question and give it to me? Will I start saving? Is will I have savings in the next 2 3 months? Put it what comes across in your mind. The time frame what comes across in your mind. I want that to be coming from you. So just reframe your question. I will definitely answer it up. Ritu Agarwal, I've told you, no, this year seems a little difficult. However, you can connect with me. I'll tell you what if there is any problem or if there are any obstacles or blockages, we can definitely get it through with that. Will I get a house within the 3 months? Priya Jadhav. Priya Jadhav, this one is for you. Seems a high possibility, Priya. You may encounter a lot of obstacles going about with it. So you can, you can see that you there are very high chances, but you will also have to endure lots of troubles in the way to getting about with that. So if there is some anything in that mind, please get started with it and keep, looking towards it or any kind of an obstacles. Neeta, I'll give you my contact number later on in the end, and then you can connect with me. And will my help improve in the comings? Okay, Anjuji, I will just check it up for you. Just give me one moment. Yes, Anjuji, 100% it's going to be increasing. There's no two questions about it that it's not going to be of this thing. It will definitely improve. Isha 7. Yes, Isha. This year you will have little. You would be feeling isolated. This is just for the next 4 months more. You will go through that feeling. But work-wise, let me tell you, Isha, you would do fantastic. So just the year, because the numbers and your years are just little, on the plane which takes you about going with little difficulties. So let this year go by and everything will start, and get your chakras cleared. Nothing to worry about with that. So yes, Kiran, go ahead, ask me what you want to ask. Will my sister get married this year? Sugna, please give me your sister's name. It would be easier because I would be doing the reading on her name. So give me the your sister's name. Okay, I guess. Hi Shreya, hi Neeta. Will I be able to save money because wherever his investor goes in medical expenses? Shreya Shah. Shreya, I see no, but let me see if I can find out the cause. What is letting the outgo of money go? Just give me one moment. Yes, as much as I guess, Shreya, your root chakra is blocked, and that is where when the root chakra is blocked is we have all the monetary issues. So you will have to get this cleaned up because a lot of money is being drained unnecessary. So this is one change that you will have to get about with that, because that's where it's showing that root chakra is blocked, and that is why there is a lot of money outflow going out for you. Saloni Jain. Okay, you're looking out for Saloni Jain getting married this year. Okay, just give me one moment, Sugna. This is for Saloni Jain. Yes, dear, she would be getting married this year. There are very high chances of her getting married this year. Sugna, this was for your sister Saloni. She would be getting married. There are very high chances of her getting married this year. Harbilna, I need to know what is the future of my career. I need, dear, I need a very specific. I would be giving a yes or a no. So, future, you will have to reframe your question and ask me how will be the future. I need you. I want you to reframe it and give it to me. Well, my Dr. Priya Jadhav. Priya, what's your daughter's name? If you could give me your daughter's name, I would be able to tell you whether he should work with his mom or father. Raki, please give me your son's name. I would need that. Guys, if you're asking for yourself, then it's okay. If you're asking it for somebody else, then I need somebody's, that person's name. I would be needing it. So it would give me a more exact results, and that's why I asked for the name of the concerned person who is being asked about. The question is being asked about for. So I guess what is the best career option for me? Shreya, give me the options. Give me the options, then I can tell you what is the, which is the best option for you. Priya, okay, I take it up. Pratham, I see Priya, I see little difficulties. I do not say that no, yes, she would start, but you will encounter little difficulties. So you can connect with me. I'll probably check up what exactly is the problem. Connect with me personally. I'll see where exactly the problem is and how would it be, how it can be resolved. Hi, Shreya, about your health. Okay, about Shreya's health. Shreya, your health is definitely going to improve this year. Shreya Sharma, definitely your health should be will improve this year. Which year I'll get married? Dear, I cannot tell you. You will say either take it, we'll take it this year. Okay. We'll take it like, will you get married this year? Shreya Shah, we'll take it up for you this way. Will Shreya Shah get married this year? No, dear, this year there are no chances. There seems less chances of you getting married this year. So that's how it, where I can see. Should I venture into crafts business into exports? Okay, Neha, I'll do this for you. Should Neha venture into exports? Yes, Neha, definitely venture into the exports business. Definitely. You can definitely, look into it. Will Gauri find peace within? See, when you're talking of she is spreading negativity, or the immediate that I can assume is, or that I can tell you is that her chakras are blocked. Because if there is a lot of negativity, immediately it means the chakras are blocked. So get a chakra block done for her, because until she is at peace, she will not stop, spreading her negativity and the pain. So that's where her chakras are blocked. Immediately, I can tell you, you need to do a balancing, a chakra balancing. When will I? He graduated last month. Raj, when? I would, Puja, I would take, Punam, I would take it as this year. Okay, I would take it as, will he get a job this year? Will Raj get a job this year? Seems difficult, Punam. Uh, Seems difficult. I would provide me later on. Provide me with his date of birth to see where is the problem area. Why is it, you know, uh, is causing a delay or something. Connect with me later, and I can tell you more deeply why, or when can he exactly get it. Will my daughter's good in the studying? Lisa and Monica. See, both, two of them. Okay. Uh, Isha is saying, well, my daughter's good in their study. Lisa. Okay. Isha, just one moment, please. Yes, she would definitely, Lisa would definitely do well in her studies. And also, Isha would like to tell you these readings are for a certain point of time. So as they, if you think, if you're taking it from the perspective that probably for a long period of time, for years onwards, no, there are chances of these changing, because as our auras change, as our circumstances changes, we have these changes with us, going with us. So that's how, for the moment, if you ask me, yes, definitely they would be doing better. I'll check it up for Ronika. Ronika seems to be struggling a little with her studies. You would be a better person to tell me, but Ronika is struggling bit little with the studies. Maybe she's not concentrating, or maybe she is, having difficulty in sitting at one place. So Ronika, I see, is struggling a bit with the studies. Otherwise, I see very well. The other one doing very well. Thank you, Shreya. Shane should work with his mama or his father. Should Nishant. Okay, should Nishant work with his father? See, Raki, it shows yes for working with the father. So that's where you need to say. Priya is saying my husband's name is Amit. Will he be able to settle in the coming years? Yes, Isha, don't worry. He would be settling in the coming years, in the coming months. Anjuji, okay, just one moment. Yes, Anjuji, it would happen, but you will encounter a lot of difficulties in getting through. You wouldn't get it very easily, I would say. Just keep on putting the efforts. In the 3 months, there are very high chances of you getting it, but after pursuing a lot. Neha, will I be successful with my online reselling business? Okay. Yes, Neha, but the kind of success that you're looking out for, 100% no, maybe 70% yes. See, success also has a parameter. So, you know, lottery. I am not darling taking up lottery questions as such. Uh, I'm sorry, lottery and pregnancy related questions, I do not take it up. Will I give my love match this year? Shreya. No, Shreya, unfortunately, no. Shreya Shah, this one was for you. No. Harvila, will my career objective business plan work for me? Okay, I'll just check it out for you. Seems difficult, Harbina. Change your strategy, change of way of working, your way of approach. You will then you can happen, because this is, again, as I said, this is a temporary phase. You can the readings can change anytime, so probably in a month or so. So just try changing the way that you're approaching, or your pattern of working. Just change that. Will my business grow in the coming months, Sonita? Yes, Anita, it will definitely grow in the coming months. It would definitely grow. Poonam, is insurance business good for me? Yes, Poonam, insurance business is good for you. Definitely go ahead with that. There is no two doubts about it. You can definitely go about with your insurance business. Hina, will I get married this year? Okay, give me one moment. Yes, Hina, definitely you can get married this year. It shows a yes, a complete yes. It shows me. So you can definitely go ahead with your plans on getting married. In case you're having some issues, you can connect with me personally. I'll tell you, we can do a detailed reading. This is just a yes or a no questions that we are going about with that. Guys, this is the pendulum I'd like to show you. This is the pendulum that we use, for the dowsing for any kind of this thing. Yes, Kiran, ask me. When my Braki, I said I need a specific time period or a specific, because this is going to be a yes or a no answer itself. So when is a very a time based thing. So I will not be able to tell you when, but you will have to reframe your question and give it to me so that I can answer you in a much better way. Yes, Kiran, go ahead, ask me. What do you want to ask me? So, you see, guys, basically, pendulum is a way, it gives away, immediately to let you know if you're going wrong or if things are working for you or not working for you, and you can do the necessary changes that you get about with that. So, that's with the pendulum thing, and moreover, we have numerology to take care of it, and how we can, and really, and believe me, nothing is no, there which doesn't have a solution. Everything has a solution. We have reiki, we have crystals, we have a lot more here. It's just that we need to take the right steps at the right time. Shreya had asked me for I had asked you, I asked best for best career option, teaching, handwriting. Darling, you're giving me four options. Get it down to two of them. We'll take it up with handwriting. Shreya Shah. Handwriting is coming no for you, dear. Handwriting is no. Kiran, I have started reselling business. Okay, Rakhi, I will take up yours. Kiran is saying, I have started reselling online business. Kiran, I'll take up yours. This one is for Kiran. Yes, Kiran, you can. You will have success in your business. Rakhi Jain, will my health issues resolve this year? Yes, Rakhi, your health issues will resolve. Okay. Yes, dear. We're just ending. So I guess I've answered everybody. So in case if you have any queries, you can connect with me on Number Future, and also you can connect with me. I'll give you the number so you can connect me out there. So thank you all for being a lovely audience. Any queries, any help, any point of time, you can connect with me. And thank you, Asta, for giving me such a lovely platform to be able to come out and share a different healing module. Thank you so much. I Sakshi, just come in. We're just closing. So if anything is remaining, we will. I'll take you up personally. Don't worry about that. So thank you guys for being a lovely audience. We will see. We'll meet up soon with some another healing modality. Thank you so much.